Oh, it's really good, guys. It's nice and wholesome. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Savor with Neil, and for today we're gonna make a very quick snack. If you guys want something very quick and healthy, I suggest let's savor my avocado shake. It's pretty much so easy to make. You just need an avocado, some Greek yogurt, some oat milk, and also honey, and you're good to go. And oh, some ice as well. We're gonna use our Ninja blender today. So it's a very quick snack. I just got back from the gym, so I want something pretty much filling just to tie me into dinner. So I think this is a great snack. It's healthy and it's very quick to make. All right, I'll just put everything into the container here. So let's cut the avocado. So the Blue Jays are into the World Series right now, and so go Jays go. All right, I'm not a big baseball fan, but hey, I'm cheering for my home team, right? So actually, I did go to a Blue Jays game earlier this summer. So shout out to my friend Ian for getting us like box seats and at one of the games so this summer, and we actually won at that time. So okay, all right, so go Jays go. All right, okay, so avocado. It's pretty ripe, so this is perfect. You don't want unripe avocados or else it won't taste good, guys. So yeah, I'm just getting all the avocado in here. All right, bit of honey. Greek yogurt. I try to avoid cow's milk and also cow cheese because I get really bad acne and breakouts. So yeah, so that's why I opt for the oat milk if it's available. Bit of oat milk, just eyeing everything. So, and ice, right? The blender. All right, you guys see? Okay, perfect. Oh wait, let me show you guys first before I blend everything. So everything's here. Okay. All right, ready? All right, you guys see? Okay. All right, we blend it. All right, we're good. And here's our avocado shake. You guys see? Okay. Oh, guess what, guys? So I got a straw from last time. I made bubble tea from one of my previous videos, and I didn't have this bubble tea straw, so I bought one from Amazon, and yeah, so we're gonna use this one for our smoothie shake, okay? All right, so. All right, here we go. Here guys, can you guys see? There we go. All right, cheers. Here we go, guys. Nice and creamy. Oh, it's really good, guys. It's nice and wholesome. The avocado is pretty creamy and thick, so it's a nice snack, but like healthy and very quick and easy to make. So it's a few ingredients and you got yourself a nice avocado shake. So all right, guys, have yourself a great weekend. Hope you guys enjoyed my avocado shake. Let me know if there's any other fruits that you want me to try. And also, please like, share, or subscribe to my channel. And just remember, keep savoring you, okay? All right, go Jays, go. All right, see you guys.